Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Here I am going to guide you about Expo 2020 Dubai. Expo 2020 is a world expo hosted by Dubai in UAE from 1st October 2021 to 31st March 2022. Its location is Dubai Exhibition Center and its motto is Connecting Minds, Creating the Future. If you are driving to Expo, you can look out for yellow road signs which will guide you on highways. The location of Expo is Expo Road T77, Dubai South, Jebel Ali. There are 4 designated zones. Your choice of parking zone will depend on thematic district you wish to visit. If you are heading towards the gate, also known as entry portal, or at least a 15-minute walk from the farthest car park. But before you head to the closest bus stop, make sure to scan QR code located at the end of your parking zone. On the way back, board the same shuttle from the bus stand near the gate, which will help you to find your parked car. From gigantic gates of Expo 2020 to pavilion, everything is marvelous in Expo 2020. These gigantic Expo Gates 2020 are created by British architect Asif Khan, who brilliantly merged ancient design with ultra-futuristic concept. This engineering marvel is 21 meters high, 30 meters wide, but it weighs only 18 tons because it is made up of 90% of air. For the first time in World Expo history, every participating country have its own pavilion. Its message is that we all have the power to build a better world and shape the future. Discoveries which are displays makes Expo 2020 Dubai unique, and it indicates how we are connecting minds and creating future through sustainability, mobility and opportunity. Adults with age between 18 to 59 years have to buy tickets which are available online as well as on Expo Gate in 45 dirham in weekdays and in 95 dirham on weekends, while senior citizens with age of 60 plus and kids and youth till age 17 are free. On the entrance, you have to show your PCR results and you have to show your tickets. As you will enter the expo, you will find the map. Map is also displayed on board. You will notice that Expo 2020 is divided into 3 main districts: sustainability, mobility and opportunity. You can also see the pavilions of different countries in these districts. These districts are given with a special color, like sustainability has green, mobility has blue and opportunity has yellow color. You can also see 2 different parks in opposite sides, one in pink color and one in red color. These 2 parks are Fursan Park and Jubilee Park. You can register your child with the age between 6 to 12 in winter camps in designated drop-off area in all the 3 districts. The train team will help children to explore that district and you can enjoy Expo for 3 hours.
हर कोई अपनी अपनी
And don't miss these legends: Al Wasf Plaza, 2020 Plaza, Expo 2020 Station, United Arab Emirates Pavilion, Al Fursan Park, the OSS, the Jubilee Park, Alif, the Mobility Pavilion, Mission Possible, the Opportunity Pavilion, and Terra, the Sustainability Pavilion. On my next videos, I will show you pavilions and you will really enjoy immersive cultural experiences and will discover what makes each country unique. Roaming robots and Opti are the interesting part of Expo 2020, which performs functions such as greeting visitors, making security and deliveries possible. Can you think these robots deliver food, tell jokes, and guide visitors?
हो गया मोहनत हो गया ना चलें सैनिटाइज कर लिया आपने
Expo 2020. It's the name of unit Sky String Transport, maglev elevators, and poems by artificial intelligence. And yes, it is the largest exhibition of global achievement, and we are very excited to experience the Expo 2020.